This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone supports two SIMs and which type, two physical trays or a physical plus eSIM. Once done, unlock carrier rules and note any PINs. Power off the device, use the eject tool, and place each SIM in its correct slot. Slot 1 versus 2 matters. Make sure the metal contacts face down and the tray clicks fully. Power the phone back on. The system will detect both lines and begin the registration process, which sets the stage for configuration. You now configure how each SIM behaves. Go to Settings, find SIM or Mobile Network and enable both lines. Assign defaults for calls, messages, and mobile data. Choose which SIM handles primary data to control costs. Once done, label each line so you can tell them apart in the dialer. Make sure APN settings match your carrier. If data fails, update those fields. Also, set preferred network modes and roaming rules so one SIM won't unexpectedly incur. Finish by testing. Place a call, send an SMS, and load a web page on mobile data for each SIM. If something fails, toggle airplane mode to force re-registration, then disable one SIM and re-enable it to resolve conflicts. Make sure APNs are correct and restart the phone if needed. Finally, monitor battery and signal because two active radios can use more power. If issues persist, reset network settings or contact the carrier. This single troubleshooting step often fixes registration and data problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.